Hello everybody, and I am so excited to show you my Decor Mommy inspired hutch for summer. I watched her video on her Farm Fresh Farmer's Market on her hutch, all of her different fruits. Oh my gosh, I was in love. I immediately got out all my fruit and went and got what I didn't have and printed out the different signs. So let's get up close and personal so you can see. All right, what I did is I kept the daisies that I've had up there, and I had these up for the 4th of July. I printed out this farmer's market sign on some paper. And the strawberry bushes, you've seen those on my bar cart, so I just moved them over to the hutch. And remember when I got these buckets that were 60% off at Michael's? This is exactly why I got them. And in my mind's eye, I knew I'd put the apples. So here are some faux apples that I bought from Hobby Lobby. And then over here, this cake platter I've had forever, and you've seen that. I've also had this flower and plants little watering galvanized bucket, and I just kept that up there with the fruit. I got a couple more lemons because I didn't have quite enough. I only bought 3. And then here are my red apples that I've had, and I just had them like they were falling out of the bucket, and I put the bucket on its side. And then another print from the computer. I just printed it out. And here's my little bunny that was in my Easter decor on the hutch. So that is the top shelf. Down on the second, I put some strawberries, and then this little bush with the berries I just put into this terracotta pot that I painted white. And then the scale I've had, and this was a Joanna Gaines from Target's Hearth and Home, and I just put this on my hutch. And it is just weighing a green apple. And then again, here are my bunnies. Like I told you, I decorate with bunnies all year long, with another strawberry bush that I've had. This Farm Fresh I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off. I can't remember how much it was. I want to say it was like $8, and it's tin. It's that popular black and white right now, and it says Farm Fresh Country Life, and it's an actual tray. Here's another one of my bunnies, and then I'm going to go over on the other side in a minute so you can see the rest of that side. But let's go down to the third shelf, and then I'll go over on the other side. And then on the third shelf, here's another little lemon branch that I got, and with another sign that I printed out on my computer. And then here are the little baskets that I bought from Michael's, and that's that new farmhouse collection. And these were the only things that were, they were the only real thing other than the buckets that were affordable. And it's just so expensive. So, but that's fine because I really like the dark look of these with the galvanized metal. And then I have these sitting on the cake stand that I made out of a Dollar Tree candlestick and a Bath and Body candle lid, and I spray painted that. So that is what's holding these strawberries up. And then this pie plate, pie holder, whatever, I got from, where did I get this again? Oh, shoot. Home Goods. I got this from Home Goods, and this is years and years old, probably 8 years old, along with another bunny. All right, so let's go to the other side now. It's just easier to come over here so I can show you. All right, and then here I have the basket that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and I just put some lemons in it, and then I printed out this lemonade sign from the computer when I was printing out my other signs. And then my little bunny's holding a green apple, and over here, here's some more of those berries, with another branch with a couple lemons on it. And then back in here is a cherry sign that I printed out. And then the cherries came from Hobby Lobby, and I just put a bunch of those inside this basket. And then this olive bucket was on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and it was $3. And so I just put the strawberry bush inside of that. So this is how it looks from this angle on the other side of the hutch. So I'll let you see that for a minute. So there is that. There's the top. And then on the top here, here's just another view of the sign and the apples. So I wanted to share that with you. I was very pleased the way it turned out. I wanted to still have that, it was the farmhouse, but I wanted a little bit, hopefully, of a Victorian feel. I achieved what I was going for, but the real inspiration again came from Decor Mommy, and when I saw that, I thought, oh my gosh, I have got to do a take on that with my hutch. So thank you, Decor Mommy, for the inspiration. Guys, I hope you like this. It was really relatively inexpensive to put together. All the prints were just from the computer. I just went on and Googled what I wanted. You know what I mean? Like, for instance, apples. I just put in apples and it came up with a bunch of images, and I picked out the ones I wanted, and a little bit of fruit that I had to buy because I did have some already. I hope you like this. I hope that it inspires you in some way. And until next time, until another DIY, a home decor tour, a collaboration, a challenge, whatever the case may be, I want you to remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.